Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me, Aulia Rosa Fadila. I will retell the journal entitled Analysis of Knowledge about Capital Market Activities in Indonesia, compiled by Heri Novianda, Open University, Bengkulu, Indonesia. And Depi Arisandi A. Ansyar, AIN, Bengkulu, Indonesia. This assignment is an English semester final given by Miss Dina. Immediately, the first is the abstract part. The purpose of this article is to examine the knowledge of the Indonesian people about the capital market and the activities that occur in it. The methodology used to analyze the level of knowledge of the Indonesian people about capital market activities is the purposive and non-probability, purposive and convenience non-probability sampling method. Purposive and convenience non-probability sampling methods were used to select respondents in the study. Questionnaires are implemented from different segments of the educated population and Indonesian workers, teachers, lecturers, administrators, students, workers, traders, and professionalism in various sectors of the economy. The result showed that public awareness of the existence and effective functioning of the capital market in Indonesia was at a fairly low level. This is due to the lack of public knowledge of all activities in the capital market generally. The finding in this study imply that understanding public knowledge is very important in the process of disseminating company information, corporate communication strategies, more and more investors and issuers so that investment instruments in the capital market can be well received. Next is the conclusion. Next is the introduction. In the implementation of financing for the national economic development of a country, it is necessary for both the government and the public. The capital market is one of the alternative sources of funding for both the government and the private sector. Governments that needs funds can issue bond or debt securities and sell them to the public through the capital market. Likewise, the private sector, which in this case is company that needs funds, can issue securities either in the form of shares or sell them to the public through the capital market. The level of knowledge about capital market activities is directly related to capital market participation, but the condition of the Indonesian capital market shows that public awareness of the existence and effective functioning of the capital market in Indonesia is at a very low level. Research gaps in the study show that Indonesian capital market literally has a very low level, but previous research has found that the best development model for the stock exchange is the active participation of exchange, government, and companies that invite investors and create trust for self-investment. Next, review related to the literature. To support a deeper discussion about the analysis of capital market knowledge, the tutor conducts literature review or works that have a relationship with the problem to be studied. Related resources include namely, number 1, Hamada M. Sharif M. and H.G. Vendor results prospective investors who have adequate knowledge about financial market activities make rational and asset allocation decision to maximize their well-being in the short and long term. Number 2, Oyerin II, the results show that there is a significant long-term positive relationship between foreign portfolio investment and stock market development. Number three, E and Salami-K result the correlation between capital market development and economic growth shows that countries with stabilized capital market have greater domestic growth than countries that do not have them. Number 4, Ewing, BT, and Piney, GE result the breadth of the relationship between the stock market and macroeconomic factors found that shock to monetary policy, economic growth, and inflation all lead to lower than expected returns. Number 5, Opera O and Stoica O. Result capital market integration has a positive impact on economic growth, and the main factors where the capital market positively influence economic growth are stock market capitalization, capital mobility, value trading, stock index, immigrants, and to a greater extent, smaller foreign portfolio investment. Number 6, develop MB and UC. Result policy commitments are very important under a flexible exchange rate, but commitments to capital tax provide only small profits under the benchmark exchange rate. With a flexible exchange rate, policy makes impose an inflow of tax immediately at the beginning of the crisis. Next is method. Purposive and confidence non-probability sampling methods were used to select respondents for this study. The sampling method was used because the population was too large to include each individual in the study. From the quantitative analysis, conclusion can be drawn well and usefully. The questionnaire was implemented on a representative sample of 207 respondents from various segments of the Indonesian population who were educated and working. Example, teachers, lecturers, administrators, student workers, traders, and professionals in various sectors of the economy. The questions were carefully selected in order to obtain a clearer picture and a more qualified quantitative analysis of the actual condition associated with the fact of how much the Indonesian population is accustomed to exchange activities and operation. Next is finding and discussion. The results of the answer to question related to respondents' knowledge of capital market activities are shown in figure 1. As many as 46% of the 207 respondents stated that they had heard about the capital market but didn't understand the activity and relationship of the capital market activism. Respondents who have heard and understood activity in the capital market are 39%. While those who have never heard and don't understand the activity in the capital market are 15%. The motivation of local investors to invest in the capital market is to get dividend and capital gain of 67%. This shows that there are two dominant motivators of investors in the capital market, namely investors who have the motivation of capital gains show profit-taking behavior where investors like short-term investment, speculative behavior, and carry out active strategy by considering macro factors such as issuers, rumors, politics, conspiracies, insider trading, regulation, market anomalies, and other for short-term profits. Investors who are motivated to earn dividends show the long-term behavior of investors. The result of survey conducted by researchers show that in general the lack of public education and business formed about the benefits of investing in securities and funding business stock securities. These findings are consistent with studies that state that investor behavior in decision making is influenced by risk perceptions regarding the negative potential contained in the financial statements. Knowledge of capital market activities is necessary so that investors and potential investors have adequate information in investing in the capital market. Information can have a material impact on asset price when combined with investor knowledge, hands-on experience, and valuation. The last one is the conclusion and recommendation. The result shows that public awareness of the existence and effective functioning of the capital market in Indonesia was at a fairly low level. This is due to the lack of public knowledge of all activities in the capital market in general. Investors can become more active when they have adequate knowledge of various trading activities in the capital markets. The findings of this study are supported by previous studies, which stated that there are several problems that cause low levels, namely low levels of activity. Number one, Lack of a suitable structure and the number of issuers on the market. Number 2, lack of a suitable structure and numbers of investors in the market. Number 3, low transaction value and capitalization. Number 4, impairment and a small amount of financing transaction in the primary market. Number 5, lack of a complete offer of investment instruments in the market. The result of the analysis carried out show that the benefits of investing in securities are not known by the people of Indonesia. For this reason, joint efforts from the public and joint efforts from the public and private sectors are needed to make the public aware of how the capital market works, including the comparison of capital market investment with conventional investment vehicles and the risks and returns of capital involved in capital market investment. In fact, there is a need to organize various types of seminars and special course for people who intend to invest more funds into financial instruments. This is Retail Journal from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.